guys. And also, I want to give you the most important piece of information, that is where you're going to get the original Kerassentials from, all right? So stay with me until the end of this video so you don't have any regrets afterwards. So people's big question is, what are Kerassentials? Guys, Kerassentials is a breakthrough formula made of natural ingredients to prevent itchy toes, crumbly yellow nails, toe fungus, etc. Kerassentials will penetrate the root of the toenail fungus and trigger the rush of white blood cells, which remove rashes in your nails and starts to heal really fast. The formula in the Kerassentials is a design brush applicator that will ensure the oils and vitamins in the formula helps get rid of the fungus in your nails and keep your nail healthy. The Kerassential really does work as an incredible formula that addresses the root cause of toenail fungus, all right? So when the Kerassential serum is applied to the nails, the active ingredients start to penetrate the root and trigger your immune system to attack the deadly fungal traces and provide healthy nails. Guys, the Kerassentials come in the form of a solution, and it's really easy to apply. The formula in the solution gets rid of itchies, distorted toenails, and even more, all right? So yes, the Kerassentials is a serum, and it will even help you to make your skin feel better. It will also help your hair and, of course, your nails. It has a 60-day money-back guarantee, so within 60 days of using it, if you simply don't want to use it anymore, you can easily ask for a refund, and the support team will give you all of your money back. Guys, if you check out their official website, you will see that there are thousands of men and women having excellent results with the Kerassentials, and if you use it in the right way, you will have the results that you are aiming for as quickly as possible. This is an all-natural solution, so just remember there are no contradictions or side effects to it, all right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day.